Good morning students, how are you all? Welcome to English class. I hope you have read the chapter Subject Verb Agreement and you have done exercise 1 of chapter 7. So we have discussed that how verb is agreed with subject. A verb must agree with its subject. So we know what is subject, what is verb. And we have discussed certain rules. Today we are going to complete this chapter and topic subject verb agreement. So let's start. Sometimes a verb is separated from the subject with phrases and words like as well as, besides, together with, along with. At that time, what we have to do? We just ignore these words because these are not the part of subject. If our subject is in singular, we will use singular verb. Like, see an example. Raman as well as Neha is present in the class. So here two subjects we can see, Raman, Neha, but it is joined with as well as. It is not joined with and. If it is joined with and, then we will use plural verb, but it is joined with as well as. So we will use singular verb because our subject is in singular. My friend with his brothers is in the party. So again, my friend with as well as, or we can say together with his brothers is in the party. So here again we have used singular verb because our subject is in singular. So just remember these phrases as well as, besides, together with, along with. Okay? When our subject is separated from the verb, by using these phrases, we will use singular verb. Now, see another one. Many, a few, several, and both. If a sentence starts with these expressions, so we will use plural verb. Many, it denotes many, means so many. Several, it also denotes number of person or things we can say. So clearly we can just come to know that we should use plural verb here with these expressions like many, a few, several, and both. It denotes two. So we will use plural verb. Many students are playing outside. A few of them are present. So many and here you are. A few of them are present. Okay. Then come to next. When a sentence starts with these expressions like much, a little, take a singular verb. Much of the verb is done. A little thing is, a little stress is manageable. So we will use is, much, a little. We will use singular verb. Then if an amount of money, a period of time, a specific distance or weight is given, so we will use singular verb. We will not use plural verb. Like 10 kilometer is not too much to cover with car. Kilometers, it is 10 kilometer, but we will not say that 10 kilometers are. We will use is. Then 20 kilos is heavy to lift. 20 kilos is heavy to lift. Again 20 kilos, but we Do not say 20 kilos are heavy too. We will, if specific amount or specific period of time is given, so we will not use plural verb. We will use singular verb. Okay? Subjects like mathematics. It sounds that it is in plural, but we will use mathematics is a difficult subject. Physics is very interesting. So, beta, just be careful. We have to be careful while using these kinds of words. Okay, we will use singular verb with this subject. Okay, now is it clear to all? Okay, so what you have to do, you will just read all these rules again and just try to solve exercise 2 and 3 given in your grammar book of chapter 7. Okay, thank you. Stay safe at home. Have a nice day.